Hi everyone, I am glad to be back with another fountain pen, and this time it's a very interesting pen, the Lamy CP1. This pen was designed by Gerd Müller in the year 1974. He is the same person who also designed the Lamy 2000. The CP1 has been there in existence for about 4 decades, but it never got the fanfare and popularity like the Lamy 2000 and Safari. It's a mid-range fountain pen for casual and professional writing, which is meant for all age groups. In this review video, I'll be telling you about its build and design, grip, nib and feed, its filling mechanism, the writing experience, and some special features. So stay with me till end of this video for a complete idea of this pen. The overall shape of this pen is cylindrical, which is uniform throughout. In fact, while I was doing some research on this pen, I read somewhere that the name CP stands for cylindrical pen. Anyways, the body is quite slim and its diameter is 9.3 millimeters. The barrel and cap are made of brass, which you can notice when you look inside the barrel. It has a matte black lacquer coating which is very smooth. There is a plastic plunger at the barrel end which helps in posting the cap. The cap gets posted with a click snap and stays there securely. The overall length of this pen is 135 millimeters. When uncapped, it is 117 millimeters, and when posted, the length is 158 millimeters. The weight is 17 grams when capped or posted and 9 grams when uncapped. Overall, it has a simple, slim and cylindrical design with minimum decorations. The CP1 has a round and small plastic grip that is ribbed. In my opinion, the plastic grip looks cheap and unimpressive for a price of about $60. Also, when you dip the pen inside an ink bottle, it takes more effort to wipe off the ink from a ribbed grip as compared to a plain grip. The cap is made of brass and has a cylindrical shape just like the barrel. It fits with a satisfying click snap and has a metallic clip which is spring loaded. The clip has a plain and rustic design with a Lamy logo near the hinge. When posted, the pen looks very long because of its slim design. Let's compare its length with a Lamy Safari in a posted position. As you can see, it's shorter than a Lamy Safari when posted. However, due to the slim design, this pen seems to be longer, which is an illusion. Also, in the posted position, the weight tends to shift backwards, which is not very comfortable. This pen comes with a steel nib, which is available in extra fine, fine, medium and broad variants. There is no gold plating on the nib. The feed is very efficient and allows smooth flow of ink. The Lamy CP1 has the same nib and feed that is used in Lamy Safari, All-Star and Vista, and they can be easily swapped among each other. You can also replace the steel color nib with a black nib to match the color of this pen. The CP1 uses proprietary cartridges and converter. So here are the cartridge and converter that came with this pen. It's a Z27 converter that can hold about 1.08 milliliters of ink, and the cartridge can hold about 1.56 milliliters of ink. I am not going to use the cartridge because I like bottled inks of different colors. Some people may receive this pen without a converter, when they order this pen from various online stores in different parts of the world. I belong to India and the converter was part of the package when I ordered this pen from Amazon. So let's see how this pen writes on a normal A4 size paper with a Pelikan 4001 turquoise ink. Like any other Lamy pen, the CP1 writes flawlessly smooth. It does not skip when you write fast. The best thing about this pen is that you can use a normal quality ink and still get a great writing experience. It's not comfortable to write in a posted position, but you can write unposted for long hours without any fatigue. There is no hard start even if the pen is left uncapped for some time. You can also write from the reverse side of the nib that will write finer and a bit scratchy. Overall, it's a great writing experience with the Lamy CP1 on any paper. The cost of this pen is about $60 and it's available at various online and offline marketplaces all around the world. So here are the pros and cons in short. Lamy CP1 is a unique cylindrical lightweight pen priced at $60. It has a metallic body which is strong enough to last long. The nib and feed are of excellent quality and writes really wet and smooth. The pen is too slim that makes it look like a pencil. The grip is not very impressive and looks cheap. The black coating is prone to scratch marks. So this was all about the Lamy CP1 and I hope this video was useful to you. If you found this video informative, then please comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.